Hello guys, welcome back to the channel More About World in the episode 4 of Quiz It. Do you remember the rules? Award yourself with 1 point each for each correct answer and send me in the comment section how much you scored. So let's begin the video with the very first question. On your screen now. The term round revolution is related to which among the following? Your options: potato, egg, fish or brinjal. And your time begins now. Let's see how many of you have attempted the correct answer, and the correct answer is potato. Round revolution is the revolution adopted by the government of India for the increasing production of potato during 1965 to 2005. Now let's move forward to the second question. Which ocean is called Herring Pond? Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean or Indian Ocean? And your time begins now. Now let's check what the correct answer is. And the answer is Atlantic Ocean. Great Herring Pond is a 376-acre warm water pond mostly located in Plymouth, Massachusetts, with a southern portion extending into Bourne. It is in Atlantic Ocean. Isn't that amazing, guys? If you're enjoying the video, do hit the like button and also subscribe to the channel. Now let's move to the third question for the third point. Now, which among the following countries has the longest coastline in the world? A. Malaysia, Sweden, Indonesia or Canada? And your time starts now. Let's see what the correct answer is. And the answer is option D, that is Canada. Canada's coastline is the world's longest, measuring 243,042 kilometers, which includes the mainland coast and the coast of offshore islands. Isn't that amazing? So let's move to the fourth question for the fourth point. Which technology company has created a 2 nanometer chip, the smallest and the most powerful microchip? Qualcomm, IBM, AMD or Samsung? Your time begins now. Let's see how many of you have bagged the fourth point, and the right answer, that is IBM. A couple of months ago, IBM unveiled a world's first semiconductor design breakthrough, something that even Intel, Apple or Samsung hadn't yet demonstrated. They built the world's first chip with a 2 nanometer nanosheet technology. Isn't it wonderful? So let's get to the fifth question for the fifth point on your screen now. In which among the following years the modern Olympic Games were held for the first time? Your options: 1896, 1899, 1876 or 1898. And your time starts now. The time has ended, so let's see what the correct answer is. And the answer is 1896. Athens 1896 Olympic Games, athletic festival held in Athens that took place April 6 to 15, 1896. The Athens Games were the first occurrence of the modern Olympic Games. Now let's head to the sixth question for the sixth point. Who among the following is the first batsman to hit 6 sixes in an over? And your time begins now. So many of you have already guessed, and the correct answer is, that is Garfield Sobers, option B. Former West Indies all-rounder Sir Garfield Sobers became the first player to hit 6 sixes in an over on 31st April 1968, playing as a captain for Nottinghamshire against Glamorgan. Sobers smashed the 5 huge sixes of Malcolm Nash, but was caught on the boundary in his sixth delivery. However, Glamorgan fielder Roger Davis carried the ball over the rope, resulting in the first over to have ever been hit for the 6 sixes. Isn't that wonderful? The seventh question for the seventh point on your screen now. Who was the first Indian International Cricket Council President? A. Sharad Pawar, B. Jagmohan Dalmia, C. Ray Mali, D. Gavaskar. And your time begins now. Let's see how many of you have bagged the 7th point till today. And the correct answer, option B, Chak Mohan Dalmia. He served as a president for 3 years from 1997 to 2000. He has also been the president of the BCCI and Cricket Association of Bengal. Now let's move to the 8th question for the 8th point. The first no confidence motion was moved in the Lok Sabha in which of the following years? 1960, 1961, 1963 or 1969? The time starts now. The time has ended and now let's see what's the right answer. And the answer is C, 1963. Now let's move to the second last question, that is the question for the 9th point. Which country has recently launched the world's first 6G communication satellite? India, USA, Russia or China? And the time begins now. I hope you all have guessed the right answer, and the right answer is option D, that is China. Late last year, China launched world's first 6G experiment satellite from the Tianwan Satellite Launch Center in North China's Shaanxi province, marking a breakthrough in the exploration of terahertz space communication technologies in China's space field. Now let's move to the last question of this video for the 10th point. Contamination of drinking water with which of the following causes Blackfoot disease? A. Nitrates, B. Arsenic, C. Mercury and D. Cadmium. And the time begins now. Now let's see what the correct answer is. And the answer is option B, arsenic. That's all for today's video guys. If you have liked the video, do subscribe to the channel and also press the bell icon for getting all the latest notifications about my videos. That's it for today guys. Goodbye.